Part 2 covers implementing post-quantum cryptography on Linux SSH today. You have your servers running OpenSSH, but your OpenSSH version may not support post-quantum cryptography. Why does this matter? Quantum computers will break current encryption, but post-quantum cryptography remains secure. You cannot wait for quantum computers to arrive. You must upgrade now. This video shows you how to upgrade OpenSSH, how to enable post-quantum key exchange, how to verify your SSH is quantum safe, all on Alma Linux. Let us begin. First step is installing the liboqs library. Liboqs is the open source library that implements post-quantum algorithms. On Alma Linux, use the DNF package manager. Run dnf install liboqs. The package manager resolves all dependencies automatically. Liboqs installs to ustarlib. Header files install to userintude. Once installed, OpenSSH can use post-quantum algorithms. Liboqs is the foundation for post-quantum cryptography on Linux. Without liboqs, post-quantum SSH cannot work. Installation is straightforward on Alma. One command, dependencies resolved automatically. That is all you need. Next is upgrading OpenSSH itself. Current systems often run OpenSSH 8.7. Version 8.7 does not support post-quantum cryptography. You need OpenSSH 8.9 or later. On Alma Linux, upgrade using DNF update opens. The package manager upgrades all OpenSSH components. Client, server, and utilities all update together. Verify the upgrade with SSSN-V. The output should show version 8.9 or higher. Once upgraded, post-quantum algorithms become available. The upgrade is simple. One DNF command handles everything. No manual compilation needed. Alma repositories have post-quantum enabled OpenSSH ready. Now configure SSH for hybrid post-quantum key exchange. Hybrid means both classical and post-quantum simultaneously. Edit the SSH configuration file at exec. Find the kex algorithms line. Add mlchem 768 x25519-SHA-256. This enables hybrid key exchange using mlchem. mlchem is the NIST-approved post-quantum algorithm. X25519 is the classical elliptic curve component. Together, they provide security against both classical and quantum attackers. Also keep classical algorithms for backward compatibility. Hybrid mode is the recommended transition strategy. Once configured, restart the SSH service. Run systemtl restart -t. SSH now supports post-quantum key exchange. Testing verifies that post-quantum SSH is enabled. Run -qkex. This lists all available key exchange algorithms. grep for mlchem. If mlchem 768 x25519-SHA-256 appears, you have post-quantum support. If nothing appears, the upgrade failed. Check that OpenSSH version is 8.9 or later. Check that liboqs is installed. Next, test an actual connection. Run -v localhost. Verbose mode shows the key exchange method used. Look for mlchem in the output. If mlchem appears, your connection used post-quantum cryptography. You are now quantum safe. Testing proves the implementation works. Production deployment requires careful planning. Start in development environments. Test thoroughly before production rollout. Upgrade servers in stages. Development servers first, then staging servers. Finally, production servers. Monitor for issues at each stage. Watch for connection failures. Watch for performance degradation. Most systems work perfectly with post-quantum SSH, but compatibility issues can arise. Have a rollback plan. If problems occur, you can revert to classical key exchange. Also update your SSH clients. Desktop machines, laptops, automation servers all need updates. Coordinated rollout prevents outages. Post-quantum SSH is production ready today. but plan the deployment carefully. This is the before state. OpenSSH version 8.7.1. No post-quantum cryptography support. Run -qkix pipe grep mlchem. No output appears. MLChem is not available. Your SSH lacks post-quantum algorithms. Your server is vulnerable to harvest. Now, decrypt later, quantum computers can break this encryption. This is the starting point before the upgrade. Before the upgrade. This is the after state. OpenSSH upgraded to version 8.9 or later. Post-quantum cryptography is now supported. Run -qkix pipe grep mlchem. Milchem 768 x 25 519 -SHA 256 appears. Your SSH now supports hybrid post-quantum key exchange. Your server is quantum safe. The upgrade worked. You are protected against harvest now. Decrypt later. This is the result. Post-quantum SSH enabled.